Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2023 Can-Am Maverick XRC Turbo RR. We've just installed a whole bunch of accessories on this one. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about what we've done. We're going to start right here on the front. We've installed the R1 Demon Whip and Rock Light kit. You can see those rock lights in the grill there, shining nice and bright, even on a sunny day like today. Rock lights up in the wheel wells on the front and here on the back. They've done a really good job with the R1 kit. We've got the Tusk double row light bar up top. Very nice with the Tusk mounts. We've got the Ryco Street Legal kit on it. This is the updated kit with the turn signals built right into the dash. That's super nice. Replaces those signature lights here on the front, as you see it flashing there. Very nice and bright, good angle from every side, and the Ryco side view mirrors as well. Those are synced right in with that Ryco kit. You do have the four-way hazard function with the Ryco kit. And I'll do a quick peek on the back of how that ties into the stock tail lights. With the Ryco kit, comes with all the license plate mounting hardware as a light to illuminate the plate at night. We had to mount this one a little bit different than our traditional mounting way because of the rear view camera. That rear view camera is tied into the rear view mirror, as you see there. You can turn it on and off at any time. We also have the side door bags as well as the center bag from Can-Am. Very nice looking bag. We've got seat risers on the seats as well. Got the particle separator. We also have storage from Can-Am up top, as well as the flip up cargo spare tire rack and the Can-Am cooler on the back. Very nice. Such a clean setup on this one for sure. If you have any questions about this build or would like any of these accessories, give us a call or shoot us a text, 435-427-3338. You can also check us out on the web, of course, at bigpinesports.com. All right. What do you think? What are we missing? What should we put on it? Post up in those comments below. Super sick build on this one. Can't wait to see it out in the wild. Have a great day, everybody.